Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel Civil Engineers Tech. This is the second video. In this video, we are gonna learn about the things that are on the top of the ribbon, or that is on the top of the screen. There are 6 sections in this window. First is draw, second is modify, third is annotation, fourth is layer, fifth is blocks, sixth is properties, seventh is groups and utilities in clipboard and view. So one by one, I'm gonna briefly, not in detail, I'm gonna briefly mention about all these things. Later on in the next video, we will start making a drawing in which we will know in details about every windows and as well as all these things that are on the menu bar. So first, the very first option is line. So once we start the drawing, you'll have to, I'm showing it first by closing the drawing. Now I'm gonna open it. If you start a new drawing, you'll have to select either imperial. It will not open directly because there is no option to in the file name. So you'll have to select either imperial or metric. So I'm gonna make I want to work in meter, so I'm gonna select the metric and it will open automatically. So in order to work in any drawing, you'll have to set a certain units of the drawing. So I'm gonna check UN, put enter, and then as I have selected metric, so it is showing in meter. There are multiple options, unit options. You can select it from these units. Also, these are the type of architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. Architectural, in this you'll have to select either feet or inches. So inches, you should select the least unit which is lesser, means if you wish to work in feet inches, you'll have to select inch so that there are maximum accuracy. So after in decimal, you can work in meter, centimeter, millimeter. So you wish to select in millimeter. So the precision is how much point after the decimal. Usually we work after 3 points only or 2 points after decimal. So I'm gonna select it, okay. And after you select the units, you need to change the unit style, dimension style as per the units. So I'm gonna put DIMS. This is shortcut for dimension style. Enter. Then there are multiple options here. You need to there it is selected in ISO 25. If you wish to modify it, click on modify. If you wish to make a new style, click new and put the name of your own dimension style, then you can modify that manually. So I'm not gonna make any new one. I'm just gonna modify it. So I'm gonna click modify. Then there are multiple options: lines, symbol, text, fit, primary units, alternate units. So basically, don't interrupt all these things or don't disturb everything. So if you wish to change the arrowheads, you can see the arrowheads are on the both the direction of this. If you wish to select it as an architectural unit, it has been converted into this architectural unit. There are the multiple options as per your own choice. So I only work with closed field or oblique. These are the two basics. So, and if you wish to change the size of this arrowhead, you can change it. And text, what should be the dimension of the text? This text fit, where do you wish to place this text? Above, outside, inside, centered. It has been placed in centered. You can change it above, and there are multiple options. So primary units, you need to select the units that you have selected in the units option. So I have selected dimensions. I have selected 2 decimal after the units, 2 points after the decimal point. So if I wish to period delimiter, so on the okay, it has been modified, so close. These are the two first basic things that you need to change or adjust or modify before making any drawing. So first, this is the option is line. You can change the line or you can draw a line by just clicking over here and making drawing. So if you select this, only this one will be selected. If you select this one will be selected. And there is another option, press L and enter. Same thing will happen, and you can delete it all. There is another option is polyline. In this you can make multiple dimensions of the single line, but all the lines will be connected to each other automatically. So if you wish to delete this section only, it will be not possible until you extrude. Extrude is another option which you will learn later. So you have to select everything. It will be selected automatically, and you wish to delete it, you will delete it. This is the circle option. Draw circle by various options, either this one center and radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent radius, and the other options. This is the arc where you wish to, if you want to draw any arc, there are the options through which you can draw any arc. This is the rectangle, polygon. So rectangle is by clicking opposite corner, dimensionally opposite corner, you can draw a rectangle. If you wish to draw a polygon, first you have to select the sides, number of sides. I am selecting a 6. Okay, and then you'll have to specify the center, and there are two options, inscribed in circle or circumscribed about the circle. Inscribed in circle means there will be a circle which will be the same, which will be of the same radius as you wish to uh, draw the polygon of the side. So specify the radius of the circle. So this will be the, if you wish to specify the radius as 50, so the distance from the center, the vertex of the side will be 50. Distance of the center from the vertex of the side will be 50. So, and if you wish, if you want, if you had, and if you would have selected the polygon with the same 6 sides and by the center, if you would have circumscribed about the center circle, then the circle would be inside the polygon. Okay, this is the option of hatching, gradient, and boundary. You will learn about this in the while making the drawing. This is the move option, copy option, stretch option. In this, if you draw a rectangle, if you wish to move it to different location, you select this and specify the base point and move it. And there is another option to move. Click M, then select the object. You can select any number of objects and you can move all the objects at the same time. So after selecting, press enter, then specify a base point. Select let's take the end point or the side vertex of the rectangle as end point. I wish to change it to next vertex, so it will be shifted. So and then similarly, if I do not want to move it, instead I want to copy it, so same thing, copy, select the base point and final point. So it has made 3 copies, means 2 additional copies of the same rectangle. Okay. stretch. If you wish to stretch specific part, then you can use this. Rotate, if you wish to rotate this object about the base point, I am selecting midpoint as the base point. You wish to select the change the 90 degree. If you wish to if you want to rotate it anti-clockwise, you'll have to select minus 90, otherwise you will have to select plus 90. So it has been selected as it has rotated by the angle 90 degree. Mirror is the same thing. As you see yourself in the mirror, there, there is a image of you at the same distance, from the mirror, behind the mirror. Let's take a line. This is the line. If you wish to mirror it, I'm gonna select all the objects, press enter, and I'm gonna mirror it about this point, and ortho mode. So it will, if you wish to erase the source object or not, yes, I'm gonna erase it. So it has been reversed or mirrored. Scale, if you wish to scale it down or scale it up, means if you want to change the size of the certain object, this is the option. If you wish to trim, let's select this one. If you wish to trim, you can select everything, enter, and okay, it has been trimmed by about this. So these are the various options. We are gonna know about it in details in the while making the drawing. Fillet, this is another option. By uh, fillet, this is the another option. It makes a corner. Let's assume this is the line, and this is the second line. So if I fillet this, it will select both lines and make a corner, a vertex. Okay, the shortcut is F for the fillet. Array, if you wish to make array multiple objects of the rectangle, there are options: rectangular array, path array, and for polar array. So if you wish to make a line or any object, multiple objects, then you have to select it. These are some of the options: to erase, to explode, to offset. We will learn about this in details while making the drawing. This is the text option. Text, specify the height. Okay, ABCD, JB. So I have made a text. Dimension, if you wish to take the dimension or put the dimension over a object, a line, a polyline, this is the option. Linear, aligned, different types of dimensions. This comes under annotation. Annotation means it, you can say. Okay, this is the layer. Various layer, you might have seen in drawings that different lines are of different types. So this is the option. Make the layer property. You wish to make a new layer, select new layer, change and put name means door, and change its color to yellow. Okay, delete it. So the next layer has been updated. Here are the various options which you will learn in detail while making the drawing. Same thing. Block, this is the block. Block is something which consists of multiple objects, and it is defined as single one. So if you select a block, it will select a whole. Let's assume there is a building. If you wish to place the whole building to different location, you should make it as a block, and the whole structure will be selected, and all the properties of the building will remain same. Okay, this is the property match property. If you wish to change the layer size, color, layer, the width of the line, the type of the line, type of the line load, these are the types of the lines, various lines. So this is the property of the objects. You can change the property of the object through this. You can group the this is the block, this is the group. You can group the same multiple objects into a category. Measure is same thing. As a dimension you can measure distance, radius, but you cannot in this. You can put it in the drawing, but you can only measure it. You cannot put this in the drawing. Paste, copy, paste, cut, copy, paste. So these are the options. In the next video we will learn about, we'll start a drawing, a basic drawing, basic 2D drawing, to learn about the different aspects of AutoCAD. What is insert, how to insert a PDF, import, how we import any drawing, any other drawing, any other document, annotate. These are some things which we will learn in the next video. And basically I'm gonna start a new drawing, making a new drawing in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and we are gonna enjoy from the next video. In this video we have briefly connected all the points, and in the next video, basically after that, after making drawing, this is the options to print. You wish to print the various segments of the drawing. These are the things where you wish where you put that specific section of the drawing, and just put it and just print it. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and like, comment and share this video to your friends. So thank you for watching.